that wasn't working right, and then they're just
Yeah,
like, why is this now not working? So just
totally.
that, yeah, that core fundamental knowledge of networking
Yeah,
is,
trying to teach
yeah,
people
hugely important.
subnetting, like all of that.
Yeah,
I was like,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
it's a challenge to like get all of that information compressed into a single course. And yeah, I tend to think that it almost does need to be two in some ways. Um,
I always find no matter how well you think, because I'm in course development
yeah,
now, like I think you get to a certain point in your career and you start, if you've got the aptitude to teach, you naturally just fall into it in
mm,
whatever company you're in. And so the course development now, it never stops surprising me that no matter how well I try and create the foundation knowledge in the course, there's always a student or feedback where they'll be like, I don't understand this. And I'm like, okay, that's assumed knowledge for me.
yeah,
The 10 people that I had review this course, like none of them picked it up because it's all just
it's
in
assumed
their
knowledge for
brain.
them too.